How to fix eSIM card missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix eSIM card missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, just open up your settings, and after that just simply scroll down and click on this screen time option from your settings, and after that scroll down again and click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to disable this content and privacy restriction bar, because sometimes it might create problem in your iPhone when you're trying to locate your eSIM card after the updates. So once you disable that, then just simply go back and check whether your eSIM card is still missing or not. Your problem might fix by this time, and yeah, this is one of the way you can try, and you will be able to fix your eSIM card missing problem in your iPhone. So that's how basically you will be able to fix eSIM card missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. I hope you find this video to be helpful.